आना कि नहीं? पकड़ाऊँ मैं अभी लेके हूँ।
मलाई एक टिक्का और कबाब सिलेंडर ले आ दो। नौजले हैं? हैं? ये है? जाओ। जी सीख ला देता किलो।
Hi, my name is Ahmad and today I'm at the M.A BBQ at Kot Shahab Din Shahdara, Lahore. See, Fareed is with me and we have ordered kebab with tikka boti plus malai boti. So let's experience it. I will let you know as I will taste it. How was the taste?
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल है भैया आपका? आपका नाम?
वकास।
अच्छा वकास साहब, ये बताइएगा आपको कितनी देर हो गई है शॉप?
इस काम में मुझे करते हुए 6 साल हो गए।
अच्छा, और आपके पास मेन जो वैरायटीज़ हैं वो कौन कौन सी हैं?
हमारे पास बीफ कबाब, चिकन कबाब, टिक्का, थाई टिक्का, सिंपल टिक्का, मलाई बोटी, जस्ट पीस, लेग पीस, तवा, कढ़ाई कबाब मसाला, तवा पीस।
अच्छा, ये प्राइजेस अगर आप बता दें तवा पीस की और बाकी जो है?
तवा पीस भाई जो है ना, वो तवा पीस आपको मिलेगा 400 रुपये का, तवा कढ़ाई 450 की, कबाब मसाला 450 का, बोनलेस मखनी 500 की। ये तवे की वैरायटी है। हमारे भाई देखिए इधर साथ ही कोट शहाब दिन नज़दीक तार स्पोर्ट वाली दुकान।
Me and Fareed has visited this shop. As you can see, we are exploring the street food in Shahdara. So Fareed has tasted it's like tikka kebab and each and everything else. But I'm new here, so tell us, Fareed, like how was your previous experience?
Ahmad, I'm visiting there like last 6 to 7 months. That taste was really good, so I suggested you come and visit here. Taste was good. That's all.
So what special thing you order every time?
I like tikka boti plus malai boti. I'm telling you that taste was very good. Last 6 to 7 months I'm coming here. Tikka boti, fly body, my favorite.
And Nadeem has also joined us. What is your favorite dish here?
Tikka fly body.
Yeah, okay. चलो
Oh, Ahmad, look this tikka body. Bismillah.
Mazi.
Ahmad, I'm telling you. It's very good. It's newly opened, but it was good.
It is my first experience in Shahdara. Like they are serving in a very good way. As you can see, the smoke and other stuff. The serving is really amazing, and we will eat this with this thin
Soft bread.
and soft bread, which is also called the roti or chapati. On the opposite side of the griddle, that will be like U shape. On that you will put this bread on it, and after a few seconds the bread will be ready. Now the
Look
freed
at
is
this
tasting.
bread. It's so thin and soft. I like it.
First of all, the freed will give the food review.
Yeah, that's my first experience. So my English is weak, but I'm trying to do my best. So that's my first bite. No, third bite. But in bread, that's my first bite. Bismillah. Tasty.
Taste is
In
superb.
Urdu, मज़े है भाई मज़े.
Nadeem is buying the kebab, and he was also saying that the taste is really amazing. So now it's my turn to taste it.
You got me camera. I'm taking. Okay. Oh, I'm right with.
It was malai boti, and the taste is amazing. The service is amazing. Thing is hot till now. Cloth issue to us, which is also really good. There are not coal underneath it. Actually, they has heated this plate and served it with that wood. It was my today's video. Now I'm signing off. Keep supporting. See you in the next vlog. Till then, goodbye.
No. I'll tell you one thing. So come and visit in this stall. That tastes were good. Location at Shahdara, Lahore, Kot Shahab Din near Tahir Sport.
And yes, the shop name is
M.A BBQ.
M.A BBQ, right? There are two shop here.
So you have to come here on this one, the red one.